For those who like to keep things mobile, we have an app for summer reading. This app is available for both Android and Apple devices and can be found under the title Beanstack Tracker and should be published by Zoobean. When you first open the app, you'll be prompted to search for your library. After typing in and selecting Chicopee Public Library, you'll have the option to create an account or sign in. The account creation through the app will work the same as if you had signed up through the website. If you have already signed up by using the website, you are all set and do not need to create another account. The homepage of the app will look similar to this. From here, you can log hours, complete activities, submit reviews, and assign tickets. To log hours, tap the plus sign in the center of the navigation bar, then tap Reading. You will then have multiple options to enter in the reading info. If you select the Scan ISBN option, you can use your device's camera to scan the barcode on the book and it will automatically enter in all the information. Otherwise, you can enter it manually or pick from previously logged titles. Next, you'll have the option to start a reading session or log past reading. Starting a reading session starts the built-in timer for the app. Once you are done reading and stop the timer, the Beanstack app will automatically add that time to your total hours and unlock any badges that you may have earned. Selecting Log Past Reading will allow you to enter it in time manually, just as you would on the website. From the home screen, tapping on the Challenges icon will open a new menu. From this menu, you can see all the various badges you have unlocked or can still earn, as well as access the raffle page to assign any tickets to the various raffles. Lastly, just like on the website, you can change between any reader who is part of the account. By tapping on the initials in the upper right corner of the app, you'll open a menu to change readers. Tapping on their name will then bring you to their profile.